Stephanie, the PT with the Note Ninjas, and together with Nicole, the OT, we help therapists with documentation and treatment planning, and we are the creators of the Note Ninja membership. So today, we want to talk about tying exercises into functional activities. So as a PT or OT, we have to make sure everything that we are doing in therapy is related to a functional activity that our patient wants to get back to. So if we are in the clinic just doing a bicep curl, like this is a great activity, but why are we doing it? Do we even really know why we're doing it with our patients? So there's so many different functional activities we can be doing with this. I have all my props over here. So one of the activities we could be doing is filling up a glass of water. Picking up the Brita, which I'm using my bicep, and I need my bicep. You can do some isometric biceps for this, holding as it pour the water. Also, if you're having dinner, now you're going from the kitchen or the refrigerator to a table, holding the Brita like this and walking also really uses that bicep. So it could be one of the reasons we are working on bicep curls. Another reason is carrying a package. If we're going outside or our package is on the bench, wherever it is, we're going to pick up the package, and we still need to use our biceps to pull it up and then carry it across the room. Again, you're using a bicep range of motion, and then you're using the isometric hold of the bicep to carry the package. And another one we might not think about is how about even reading a book? If your patient's sitting on the couch, on the chair, and the book is on their lap, they're bringing it up, using their biceps, and sometimes you might be standing here like this, and still using the isometric hold of the bicep. So all three activities could be a reason. And in your documentation, just say that. You are doing bicep curls to work on patient being able to provide water to their family during a meal. Anything like that, maybe the cues that you gave. But that is tying the exercise into a functional activity, and that's what your insurance companies need to see in order to be reimbursed. Plus, if you explain this to your patient, it's also to see why you're doing it. They might be like, I don't want to just do a bicep curl, I like exercise. But if you explain why you're doing it to what they want to get back to, that will also help them really participate and enjoy therapy more. So we hope this helped. Make sure to follow us at the Note Ninjas for more treatment ideas and documentation tips.